Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've got the essentials ready, app updated and logged in. Now open your profile and tap the three-line menu at top right. This is where the dashboard lives. Choose your activity or professional dashboard depending on your account type. Once done, scan the overview pane for time, interactions, and shortcuts. This first view tells you what matters most and what to change first, so you can act quickly without digging through settings. You'll now configure the central controls. Tap each panel to adjust privacy, notifications, and content filters. These directly affect what you see and who sees you. Make sure to set time limits and mute words or accounts that distract you. Then connect Creator Tools or Analytics if you use them. This gives clearer post and story insights. Once connected, the dashboard updates in real time so you can measure results and refine choices quickly. Complete the setup by reviewing the dashboard summary and saving any preferred shortcuts or layouts so they're easy to reach. Test your changes. Make a post or story, check its insight, and confirm notifications behave as expected. If something doesn't show up, try clearing the app cache, logging out and back in, or updating the app. This resolves most sync issues. If panels still miss, switch account type temporarily and then switch back to refresh dashboard options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.